Hi, I'm Bethany.
I'm Avery.
And we talk about all things diamond painting. My husband gets up early to go to Walmart and get candy. They had put out some of their Valentine's candy, and I found this. Avery, show them what I found.
Found this.
It's a pack of 3 diamond painting greeting cards. The packaging is really high quality. Oh, okay, first of all, right off the bat, I can tell you these cards are thinner than I thought they were. They're okay, but they're a little bit on the thinner side for a greeting card. The back says dotted with love. We've got the normal drills. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colors. And then the typical pen kit. And if you guys watch our last show, you know that we like to decorate these now. You also receive red envelopes and 1 pink one. Now, there were, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 different greeting card kits, but some of them had duplicates in the package. So you have to flip over the package and look on the back and see which ones actually came with it. When I was at the store, Walmart had the price at the top said $3, and so I grabbed a whole bunch of them, put them in my cart, and I got up to check out, and the lady said $33, and I was like, how much are those cards? So they ended up being $6.97 each, but I think for 3 cards, it's still an okay price, and these are such cute designs. Look at this llama. What's it say? With lots of love. Why does it have double L's?
Llamas. Llamas have double L's.
They do? L-L-A-M-A? You know, I never thought about that a llama. Does it have double L's? I never thought about that before. Why does the word llama have double L's? Does it?
I'm pretty sure it does.
So we Googled it, and llamas does have 2 L's. Why? Why does llama have 2 L's?
Beats me. So
anyways, for people who are smarter than me, you'll understand why that they misspelled that then. I just thought it was because it was from China. Is everything else spelled correctly? Let me see. We just finished the card. Turned out super cute. The next order that I get for one of our diamond paintings, I will include this card in the package. Hopefully they like it. I think it's super cute. What did you think, Avery? Would you buy these cards from Walmart?
Yeah, I think they're very neat. Nice little diamond paintings to do.
Yeah, it didn't take too long, 20 minutes or so. Working on it together was twice as much fun.
Well, I think it's time to put the sticker on the board.
Okay, let's get the board.
We got a microphone today.
Sing it, Dave.
I think I'm good.
We only need 300 more stickers to fill that up. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. I would definitely recommend these cards. Run to Walmart and get them. I'm sure you can find something that you like. And until next time, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.